Good afternoon. Welcome to our cooking show season 2, the finale, the final part. And I'm Leng here again, and I'd like to introduce what I'm going to cook today. It is zucchini chicken pasta. Okay, let's look at what I have for this pasta. Firstly, I use a ground chicken, which is 350 grams, tomato, about 1 kg of tomato, and chopped. You can also remove the skin if you want. And the 1 onion, medium size, 1 stalk of celery, and 1 carrot. All these 3 chopped finely. And of course, zucchini. Then I have a cup of milk. I use almond milk because almond milk is PFC. I'll be using 1.5 tablespoon of olive oil to saute the ingredients here. Half teaspoon of salt, a dash of pepper, and cinnamon. Okay, now I'm going to cook the sauce. I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoon of olive oil. Okay, add in the onion, we saute the onion and the carrot and celery until the onion is brown, golden brown. Okay, I've actually sauteed the sofrito for about 10 minutes. Now I can add in all the tomatoes. Okay, and let it for another 5 minutes. Hi, I've already simmered the sauce for 45 minutes. Now I'm going to add in the chicken. Stir it well into the sauce. Now to add in the half teaspoon of salt. And lastly, the almond milk. Let's blend the milk into it. Mix it well. And then we simmer again on low heat for about an hour. Alright, I have the final sauce here, which is ready after simmering. I'm using a noodle twister to make my pasta now. And the pasta I'm using is actually zucchini to replace the actual pasta, because actual pasta is not healthy. It contains a lot of wheat and very high in carbohydrates. So zucchini is a healthy vegetable. So I want to demonstrate how I'm using this noodle twister to make look, the pasta. Can you see? It's coming out. Wow, look at that. Okay, hi. My zucchini chicken pasta is already ready, and the sauce actually I use is bolognese sauce, which is a traditional Italian sauce, and this sauce is made from meat. I use chicken here. Actually, by right, you can also use beef and to make this sauce. And milk is one of the ingredients to thicken the sauce. You can see it's not watery, it's very thick because milk is a thickener, and also it gives you the depth of the richness, and it actually enhances, and meat actually enhances the flavor of the sauce. So on top of that, why milk? Milk is rich in the flavor, and as a result, it also tenderizes the meat and make this sauce very creamy. And if you want it to be richer, actually, which is the milk that I'm using actually is almond milk, but you can also use normal fresh milk to make it creamier if you want, which we cannot use, but later when you accelerate, you can use is to add in your cheese, and you'll be really creamy and nice. So I hope you can try this bolognese sauce with my zucchini pasta and enjoy. Thank you.